Look at your posture right now. Your shoulders are probably rounded, your neck is leaning forward, and your back, weak, tight, tired. Not because you're lazy, not because you don't train, but because nobody taught you how to train your back without machines. You've been told you need pull-up bars, lat pull-downs, heavy weights. That's a lie. Your back doesn't care about machines. It cares about tension, control, and consistency. And today, you're going to build a stronger, wider, healthier back using nothing but your own body weight. No gym, no equipment, no excuses, just gravity and the way you use it. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete body weight back workout you can do anywhere. Exercises that hit your upper back, lower back, lats, and posture muscles. A routine that improves strength, stability, and spinal health. And a method you can repeat 3 to 4 times a week for real results. This isn't random exercises. This is a structured, intelligent back routine designed for beginners, home workouts, and people who want real strength, not gym dependency. Let's build your back the right way. Step 1. Understand the job of your back. Your back doesn't just make you look strong. It keeps your spine safe, controls posture, stabilizes every push, squat, and movement, protects you from injury. A weak back equals pain. A strong back equals control. So we train it slow, controlled, and intentional. Exercise 1. Scapular pull, foundation move. This is where strong backs are born. Lie on the floor or hang from a surface if available. Arms straight, shoulders relaxed. Now pull your shoulder blades down and back, not your arms, your shoulders. Hold for 2 seconds, release slowly. Reps 12 to 15, sets 2 to 3. This teaches your body how to activate the back, not the arms. If you skip this step, everything else suffers. Exercise 2, reverse snow angels. Lie face down, arms stretched forward, thumbs pointing up. Now lift your arms slightly and sweep them out wide, like making a snow angel. Slow, controlled, chest stays down. You'll feel this in upper back, rear shoulders, posture muscles. Reps 10 to 12, sets 2. This movement alone can fix rounded shoulders if done consistently. Exercise 3, table rows, beginner-friendly pull. Sit under a sturdy table or low surface. Grab the edge, heels on the floor, body straight like a plank. Pull your chest toward the table. Pause for 1 second at the top. Lower slowly. Reps 8 to 12, sets 3. This is your body weight row, the backbone of calisthenics back training. No table? Use rings, bed sheets, or a sturdy railing. Exercise 4, Superman holds, lower back strength. Lie face down. Lift chest, arms, legs, just a few inches. Squeeze your glutes, brace your core, hold. Time, 20 to 30 seconds. Sets, 3. This strengthens your lower back and spinal muscles, essential for pain-free movement. Exercise 5, prone Y raises. Face down again. Arms form a Y shape. Now lift your arms slightly off the ground and hold for 2 seconds. This targets deep stabilizers most people ignore. Reps 10 to 12, sets 2 to 3. This is what builds shoulder health and long-term posture strength. Exercise 6, wall slides. Stand with your back against a wall. Lower back, upper back, and head touching the wall. Arms bent at 90 degrees. Now slide your arms upward while keeping them against the wall, slow and controlled. Reps 10 to 15, sets 2. This retrains your posture and strengthens the upper back and shoulder stabilizers. The complete routine. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Pull-ups, 2 sets. Reverse snow angels, 2 sets. Table rows, 3 sets. Superman holds, 3 sets. Y raises, 2 sets. Wall slides, 2 sets. Rest 30 to 45 seconds between sets. Total time, 20 to 25 minutes. That's it. No gym membership required. Common mistakes. Don't skip this. Mistake 1. Using momentum. If you're swinging, jerking, or rushing, you're cheating yourself. Back muscles respond to slow tension, not speed. Mistake 2. Letting the arms take over. Your arms assist, your back leads. If your biceps burn more than your back, slow down and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades. Mistake 3. Ignoring the lower back. A strong upper back with a weak lower back equals pain. Train both, always. Mistake 4. Bad posture between sets. If you slouch between exercises, you undo the work. Stand tall. Reset posture. Stay intentional. You don't need fancy equipment to build a strong back. You need awareness, control, consistency. Your body already has everything required. Train smart, train slow, train with intention. If you stay consistent with this routine for the next 30 days, you'll notice better posture, less back pain, more strength in every movement, and confidence in how you carry yourself. Gravity is always there. Now you know how to use it.